This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker TGT or Target Corp. So they just released earnings information and it's kind of mixed. They had a really big beat on adjusted EPS. So the estimate for adjusted EPS was $1.39. They came in at $1.80. So that was a big beat there. But then if you look at the sales, the estimate was $25.18 billion. They came in at $24.77 billion. So they have lowered guidance for third quarter EPS. The previous estimate was $1.84. Now they're looking at a range between $1.20 and $1.60. And since they lowered the third quarter, they also lowered the fiscal year 2023 adjusted EPS. The previous guidance was between $7.75 and $8.75, and they dropped that down to a range between $7 and $8. So they also said here that sales were punished by Pride Month backlash, but they also had some other positive stuff in here. So more than 500,000 new loyalty members enrolled during Target Circle Week event, so that definitely helped out. Also, same-day services grew by almost 4%, led by nearly 7% growth in drive-up. Gross margin was 27%. Comparable average transactions down 0.7%. Comparable sales down 5.4%. And comparable traffic down 4.8%. So definitely some positives in there. Also some negatives, kind of mixed, but they are pumping pretty hard right now. Let's actually check out the 15-minute time frame. You see this massive explosion here. So just due to that EPS beat, they cooked all the way up to about 140. Starting to peel back now. Let's take a look here at the daily time frame just to kind of see what we've got. So yeah, they just touched down here around that 125 mark yesterday when they closed, which was right here at a previous support level that they touched back in June. So they kind of were chopping sideways and they had this gap down and this fat sell-off yesterday leading into earnings. And now they're going to bounce off of that level nicely. So technically, looking at the daily time frame here, if they're going to be up between this 130 to 135 range today, let's just say they close somewhere in there, they're still kind of tucked within that range. And I still see to the upside a key resistance here around 138, about 138.19. You can see right here going back to June 16th. They rejected that level here on the daily and haven't been able to get back above that. So that's looking like a key level to me. And then to the downside, definitely down here around the 125 is key. If they do start to sell off again, I don't know, maybe due to the lowered guidance for the rest of the year, I'd be keeping my eye down around that 125 level, because right now on the daily time frame, that is support. And zooming all the way out on the daily, there's no other lower point. If we come out to the weekly time frame here, we don't even have a point on the chart that's lower than that 125 either. So going out 3 years, this is the 3-year weekly, we don't have a point lower than that. So I definitely see that as a very key level on the weekly and the daily time frame right now, is that 125. If they start to give up these gains, if they do start to sell off and give back some of this pump, definitely keep an eye down there on the daily time frame to about 125. If we get a close below that on the daily with some decent volume, I would look for a big move lower. So I'll continue to keep you updated on ticker TGT or Target Corp. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.